Alright, hello everybody. I don't know who just did that, but let me show you my nails real quick. These are the press-on ones I got from Walmart. Pretty sure I'm posting this on a Thursday, so my last video, yeah, it would have been my last video that you guys would have saw these nails in my haul. This nails, you know, same as these, but they're press-on, so they do kind of look, you know, crappy a little, but I am gonna glue them on and wear them through Halloween, because today's 2 days before Halloween as I'm filming this. But this is gonna be my like house transformation video, so you're gonna see all of the clips that I have of the house and then the ones that we took today, because today was the like final walkthrough and everything before they like finish it all. So obviously then you'll see a house tour when that comes out. So this is just the intro for the house transformation.
Well, look, they got it staked out.
So what's that mean?
Serious XM.
It's a big hole.
That's my basement.
So see. No, we're gonna find you. My room.
Bed.
It comes with this handsome man.
Oh, guys.
Me first. Start dying here. Pouring the sidewalk in front of the house. What?
Right here.
When we came in, without the walls and everything, it looked smaller, didn't it?
It does. The house froze it.
So, but it's not like I don't have it. It's just the fact that
Yeah, it was hoping.
if I shouldn't have it.
Get that one.
I don't know what I'm doing. My room.
Don't look out my window before you start. Don't look at it.
This is Michael's room. Oh, there's a stink bug. I see it. And then his closet. Back out here. The linen closet.
A towel closet thing.
Yeah. Whitney's room. Nice big window.
Boom!
Don't do that. Excuse me.
Closet.
That's the bathroom. That.
Are you helping me give a tour?
Yes.
Okay.
Washer and dryer.
Huh?
Will be there.
Brutus made a mess in my closet. He's not even here yet. I already saw it.
And this is the master bedroom.
He's mom and dad. Ah.
This is their closet. Bob, you want to race?
He's helping me give a house tour.
You want to race? Not race. We're gonna
You can race in here.
doing this.
And then
That's the bathroom.
parents' bathroom. Oh, they have a nice shower. They don't have a tub though. So.
That's my shower. I mean, I can take baths now.
They don't have a tub though, so maybe. I hope you guys enjoyed the house transformation. You guys will see a house tour obviously when we move in and everything. So that's it for today.